If you are looking for Cyber Monday home fragrance deals, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's check them out. Number 1, by Marsboy. Our editor choice, now only at $27.99. Number 2, by Ceenwes. Available now on Amazon only at $21.98. Number 3, by LOFTER. Cyber Monday deals now available online. Click this circle and get yours. Number 4, by Yankee Candle. Available now on Amazon only at $19.99. Number 5, also by Yankee Candle. For more info about these great Cyber Monday deals, click the circle in the corner. Number 6. Save up to $5 on this great home fragrance deal. Number 7. Available now on Amazon only at $12.79. Number 8, by Vic Singh. Number 9, by LOFTER. Get these great Cyber Monday deals now. Click the circle for real-time updates. Number 10, by Yankee Candle.